What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are opening up our Silver Tempest booster box. Alright, so yesterday we opened up a couple of, or the day before we opened up a couple of the Silver Tempest packs via the Silver Tempest ETB. But today we now have a booster box which just arrived in the mail. It arrived later than expected, unfortunately. Pretty sure it was due to Nicole, and the seller shipped via ground, so that didn't really help out that much. But without further ado, let us get into it. Again, I am looking for the Alolan Vulpix, as well as the gold Rayquaza card, which has green all over it, and any of the alt arts, honestly. Any alt art would be nice, but primarily definitely looking for Alolan Vulpix for sure, which is why our special guest is joining us again. Alolan Vulpix, aka Snowy. She shall hang out with me right over here and watch us as we open up the packs. So what we're gonna do is left, right, left, right, left, right. So let's get us started. Here is a Silver Tempest pack. Let me turn on the lights a little bit. There we are. That should be a lot better. Here is our Silver Tempest pack featuring Regidrago, I will give away random code cards, so fret not, they will come out randomly. And here we are. So the first one, we're going to go with Fire, Water Energy, Meowstic, Gym Trainer, Curlia, Sandile, Swirlix, Moraine, Indeedee, Baltoy, Reverse Archeops, and a Victini rare. Nice. Especially for fire decks. Next pack. And by the way, this is a new setup, y'all. So hope y'all like this new setup. 2, 3, 4. I flipped it already. I was going to go with grass, but it's okay. So we got Mind, or Psychic Energy, Lance, Clang, Krokorok, Buneri, Drapey, Vampy, Fletchling, Chimecho, and we already probably saw this, Flaffy Trainer Gallery card with Elise, and another Victini. Moving along, left side. Oh, I flipped it again. Alright, Grass Energy, Braixen, Sigilyph, Golbat, Ralts, Spinda, Pikachu, Noibat, Togedemaru, Reverse Mischievous, and a Holo Medicham. Alright. Moving along to our next pack. Here's another code card. There we are. 4, and we're gonna go with Fire, Grass Energy, Archon, Clang, Claydol, Rotom, Dreepy, Vulpix, Emolga, Chimecho, Reverse Hollow Rare, or no, this is a Reverse Hollow Uncommon Wailord, and we have a Regidrago V. Not too shabby. There we are, Regidrago V. So that was pack number 4. Instead of going left right now, I'm just gonna finish the whole left side instead. So let us do that. And then afterwards we'll finish the whole right side. Since we pulled a hype of ultra rare or higher, let's give another code card, and we're gonna go with Water Energy, Electric, Honchkrow, Ninetales, Leafy Camel Poncho, a Spinda, a Pikachu, Noibat, I think I see something in the back, Togedemaru, Sandile, Ferrodorn, and a Reshiram V. Not bad at all so far. We're getting a couple of great hits already at the beginning. Alright, next pack. Snowy approves. Right, Snowy? Snowy approves. Whoop, this might be better. Snowy approves. Yes, I still have its tags on. I prefer keeping tags on just because it makes it a lot easier with inventory sometimes on my end. Here's another code card. I'm going to go with Steel, Fighting Energy, Candace, Krokorok, Behemoth, Chinchou, Meditite, Dewpider, Ponyta, Venonat, a Trainer Gallery Rockruff, and a Cobalion as our rare. Nice. I think the left side has more good stuff than the right side right now. We got 2 V cards and 2 Trainer Galleries so far. Alright, next pack. Alright. 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna go with Fire Energy. Yes, guess that energy win. We got Duosion, V-Guard Energy, Hypno, Meditite, Dewpider, Ponyta, Venonat, Ralts, Reverse Meowstic, and a Zorora. Alright, next one. Since we got the guess their energy, here's another code card. 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna go with Water, Psychic Energy, Anorith, Unidentified Fossil, Glalie, Fletchling, Ferroseed, Van Gogh, Esper. Looks like it's from Yoshi's World. There is a lot of woolly Pokemon now that I saw. I saw Charmander, Squirtle, and Bulbasaur recently at GameStop and Walmart. Dratini, another Anorith, and a Mawile V-Star. Nice. Here's that Mawile card. Look at its beauty. I'll keep the V-Stars together. Alright, next pack, Reggie Geekly. Wait, why is this interesting? Pull the V-Star card, so here's another code. 2, 3, V-Star card. Lopunny, Serena, Regenerative Energy, Ferroseed, Van Gogh, Woolly World Esper, Dratini, a Chinchou. Whoa! A Trainer Gallery Blaziken V with May in the background. Ooh, and it's etched. We got an Arnicudo rare hollow. What would you classify this as? An alt art or a V card? I'm gonna go with alt art for now. I mean, not alt art. Trainer Gallery card for now. Alright, next card. Next pack. Very nice pull so far. Here's another code card. Alright, we're gonna go Fighting Metal Energy. Professor Laventon. Drakloak. Matang. Emolga. Beldum. Stunfisk. A Vulpix. Snorunt. Reverse Dratini. And a gold leafy camo poncho. What? Well, this probably goes all my luck in getting the Alolan Vulpix V now. And its V-Star card. I will still take it though. Honestly. That is still a great pull. Alright. Moving on. To our next pack, we got Snowy on the background. So maybe we might pull Snowy. Here is another code card for the nice pull we just got. And we're going to go with Dark Energy, Water. We got Ferroseed Girl, Breaksin, Dawnman, Beldum, Stunfisk, Vulpix, Snorunt, Fletchling, Crobat, and Delphox. Here's another code card, just because. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to go with Psychic, Dark Energy. We got Toxicroak, Jinx, Toxapex, Vampy, Litten, Rufflet, Fennekin, Durant, Duogen, and a Miss Magius. Alright, not too bad so far, y'all. So far we got a couple of great cards. We're going to keep going, plow through this booster box. 4, and we're gonna go with Fairy. I'm just kidding. We're gonna go with Fire. Right, Grass Energy, Araquanid, Stonejourner, Golbat, Litten, come on, Rufflet, waiting for it to focus a bit, a Fennekin, Durant, Emolga. Why are we not focusing? Elegum, and an Armado as our rare. Why are we not focusing? I guess I have to put it further. Alright, we will do that now. Okay. Next pack. We're going to go with Water, Electric Energy. Got Torracat, Palisand, Dragonair, Growlithe, Clink, Whalmer, Dratini, Feebas, Fion, yes! And then Alolan Vulpix V. That's one of the cards we're looking for. Alright. Alolan Vulpix V card has been pulled. Snowy is happy. Now we are looking for the V Star card. Just for Snowy. Wish us luck. Alright. Here comes our next pack. Is that better? Yep. I'm going to give that code as well, since we pulled it. There we are. 2, 3, 4. We're going to go with Water, Fighting Energy. Drakloak, Lantern, Unidentified Fossil, Clink, Whalmer, Dratini, Feebas, VMP. Oh, a Radiant Alakazam. Nice. And a Hollow Rare Crocodile. I just need to give it sunglasses and it'll be happy, I think. Here's that Radiant Alakazam. Look at that beauty. Let's see. All right. Next pack. For that Radiant card. We're going to go with Grass, Fire Energy, Capturing Aroma, Wailord, Raichu, Relicanth, Hawlucha, oh, skip one, Togedemaru, Petalil, Pikachu featuring Togedemaru and Dedenne, Reverse Armaldo, and Talaflame. Alright. Not too shabby so far. We got a bunch of good pulls so far, and we're only at the halfway point for this box. And we're gonna go with Dark Energy, Metal Energy, the Dene, Quadstone, Hunger Form Marpeco, Solosis, Zubat, Elegem, a Fungus, Sandygeist, and a Trainer Gallery Malamar. And we got a Incineroar. Look at it taking a nap. Like, what? That's funny. But here we are. That Malamar. I'm pretty sure this is a... from Lysander's team something. I can't remember what it was called. Team Roar? No, that wouldn't be it. It's not Plasma. Plasma was from Black and White. It was from Lysander's team in Talos. Can't remember his name right now. But anyways, for that the Trainer Gallery card. 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna go with Water. Nice. Water Energy, Venomoth, Wallace, Jinx, Baneri, Drowsy, Spinarak, Ralts, Krogonk, another Drowsy, oh, and a full art Regigeekly V. Nice. Very nice. I feel like all the luck is on the left side right now. It's not even funny. Maybe we might get some good pulls on the right though. Hopefully. Hopefully. Alright, so here is the water. Guess the energy water card that we got correct. And here is another code card for the Regigeekly Full Art V card. Alright, so we got a V-Star card, Worker, Sunflora, Primordial Altar, Buneri, Drowsy, Spinarak, Ralts, Krogonk, Reverse Togedemaru, and a Zygarde 10% form. Alright. In case if anyone is wondering, I have the ETB box on the side right now. I'm just putting the cards in there. That way I don't feel like it's overwhelming me on this table. Here's our last pack for the left-hand side, which means we're more than 50% of the way done with this box now. And we are gonna go with Grass, Dark Energy, Curlia, Torracat, waiting for it to focus a little. Well, we got Dragonair if focused. There we are. Rotom, Dreepy, Vulpix, Emolga, Chimecho, Reverse Braixen, and a Hollow Rare Ariados. Alright, on to our right hand side. Hopefully we get some good stuff still on the right hand side. It really would be a shame if they put every good card on the left hand side and not on the right. Alright, So we're gonna go with, I have a Pikachu right here, sitting right here, Funko Pop Pikachu. So electric. Oh, there we are, electric energy. All right, Serena, Sigilyph, Gym Trainer, Indeedee, Moraine, Mischievous, Swablu, Swirlix, Reverse Sandile, and a Keldeo. For the Guess the Energy, here is the code card. There we are. 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna go with Psychic, Fighting Energy, Leafy Camo Poncho, Slurpluff, Lance, Indeedee, Moraine, Mischievous, Swablu, oop, got another card under it, a Swirlix, Reverse Spinarak, and a Klinklang. Alright, here is our next pack. We are still looking for the V-Star. The V-Star Alolan Vulpix. I'm going to give out a random code card. And we're going to go with Dark Energy, Psychic Energy, Duosion, Honchkrow, Ninetales, Murkrow, Beldum, Baltoy, Sunkern, Ampy, Reverse Honchkrow, and a Renewniclus. Rare Hollow. It's a rare hollow card. Alright, here is our next pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go with Water Energy, Steel or Metal, Anorith, Meowstic, Glalie, Feebas. A lot of Pokemon are taking naps in this set. A Noibat, Snorunt, Sandile, Fennekin, Reverse Hawlucha, and a Noivern. First Noivern, I think, that we pulled. Alright, we are gonna go with Psychic, Water Energy, Lopunny, Serena, Regenerative Energy, Feebas, Noibat, Snorunt, Sandile, Fennekin, Indeedee, Reverse Hollow, and Frostlass. And you have Candace right behind Frostlass. Unfortunately, it's not a Trainer Gallery card. Alright. Next pack. We are 3/4 of the way done, I believe, now. From looking at how many packs are in this box left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to go with Fire. Metal Energy. We got Brandon, Altaria, Fletchlander, Emolga, Meditite, Durant, Ralts, Fletchling, a Radiant Serena, and a Virizion. At least we got something on the right hand side this time. Another Radiant card. So we got 2 Radiants now. We got Serena, or Tesserina, and we got Alakazam. Next pack for the Radiant Tesserina. Here's another code. 3, 4, and we're gonna go with Grass, Water Energy, Dedenne, Braixen, Morpeko, Emolga, Meditite, Durant, Ralts, Fletchling, Reverse Streepy. It's like a bunch of Pokemon are sleeping. And we got a Lugia V. That is actually really nice artwork. Not gonna lie, this is actually really beautiful. Let's have it focus a bit. It's really beautiful, the artwork. Done by Mitsushiro Arito. Very nice, honestly. Very nice artwork. I'm just gonna keep everything in one pile now at this point. Here's another code card for the Lugia V that I just pulled. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna go with Fighting, Dark Energy, Venomoth, Wallace, Jinx, Drowsy, Growlithe. This Growlithe looks really cute, and it's having a lot of fun, it looks like. Mischievous, a Wilmer, Murkrow, whoop, Trainer Gallery Gordy. That's what we just pulled. And they Dragapult. I guess the right side does have some magic in it. After all, here I was thinking all the magic was on the left side, and the right side was going to be disappointing. But Trainer Gallery Gordy. All right. This box is full of surprises right now. Back then, when you bought a booster box, you would never get this many cards, like this many rares, ultra rares, hyper rares, etc. But this is amazing. Alright, so we got a V-Star card, so no Guess the Energy. We got a Worker, Sunflower, Primordial Altar, Drowsy Sleeping, another fun Growlithe, Mischievous, Wilmer with Wingles, Murkrow, Gym Trainer, and another Cobalion. Alright. How many more packs do we got? We got 7 more packs. Oh, we were not even close to 75% when I mentioned that earlier. But here we are. Here we go. 7 more packs. One, two, three, 4. We're gonna go with Psychic, Grass Energy, Curlia, Torracat, Dragonair, Sandygeist, Relicanth, Hawlucha, Rufflet, Vulpix, a Spinda, Reverse Hollow Spinda, and a Fion. Alright, 6 more packs, y'all. Hopefully we will get something good. we are 5/6 of the box done now. Four. We're gonna go with Metal Energy, Electric, Archon, Serena, Trackloak, Sandygeist, Relicanth, Halucha, Rufflet, Vulpix, Reverse Krogonk, and another Victini. Alright. Last 5 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are gonna go with Fighting. Oh, Fighting Energy. Nice. That deserves another code card in a moment. Serena, Sigilyph, Gym Trainer, Krogonk, Solosis, Zubat, Elegim, Fungus, a Trainer Gallery Jinx with Will in the background. I don't know if y'all play, and here's Miss Magius, if you guys play Pokemon Masters, but every time I saw Will, I thought he was part of Team Break, if y'all play that game. Comment below if you play Pokemon Masters. Alright, we are down to our last 4 packs now. Here's a code card for the Jinx. Here is the code card for guessing Fighting Energy. But I don't think I fully showed the code card earlier, so here we are. 2 code cards. 2, 3, 4, and we are gonna go with Water, Fire Energy, Ninetales, Claydol, Hypno, Krogonk, Solosis, Zubat, Elegim, Fungus, Clang, and a Rapidash. Alright, 3 more packs. Will we be able to pull some good cards into these last 3 packs? I really hope we do. Especially for Snowy's sake. Snowy's just watching me right now. Hoping for that V-Star card. Alright, we are going to go with Water, Psychic Energy, Glalie, Candace, Emergency Jelly, Chimecho, Feebas, Fennekin, Spinarak, Beldum, Reverse Milotic, and an Armaldo. Alright, last 2 packs. Four, and we're gonna go Fire, Metal Energy, Donphan, Duosion, Wailord, Chimecho, Feebas, come on Feebas, Fennekin, Spinarak, Beldum, Rotom, and a Talonflame. Alright, last pack Magic. Will we get another great pull from this last pack or not? Let us find out. Whoop. We're gonna go Grass, Water Energy, Anorith, Mailstick, Beheeyem, Rotom, Baneri, Dreepy, Vampy, Fletchling, Reverse Chinchou, and a Regigigas V. Alright, that's not too bad for our last pack Magic. That is definitely not too bad for some last pack magic. Alright, so let's just go through these real quick. Alright, so we got some Trainer Gallery cards. We got Rockruff, Laffy, Malamar, Jinx, and the Blaziken V. Trainer Gallery cards, which weren't too bad. We got some Radiant cards. We got Tesserina and Alakazam. We got that Regigeekly V, Lugia V, Regigeekly V Full Art, Alolan V for Snowy. We got Reshiram V and Regidrago V. We also got the Mawile V-Star card. And then we got Trainer Gallery Cordy as well, and a Gold Leafy Camo Poncho. So not too bad of a pull today. A haul. Snowy approves, definitely. Especially for this Alolan V card. So, alright. Well, if y'all like this video, please subscribe and like for future content. And as always, thank you for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. And until next time, Snowy says bye.